Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Voice View Screen Reader on your Fire TV stick for accessibility, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable and navigate with audio feedback. Step 1. Press and hold the back button and right directional button simultaneously on your Fire TV remote for several seconds to activate Voice View quickly. Step 2. Alternatively, navigate to settings from the Fire TV home screen by scrolling right to the menu and selecting the gear icon. Step 3. Select Accessibility from the Settings menu to access features designed to help users with visual or hearing impairments. Step 4. Choose Voice View Screen Reader from the Accessibility Options menu to access configuration settings for the feature. Step 5. Toggle Voice View to On position to enable the screen reader, which will begin announcing menu items and selections audibly. Step 6. Adjust voice view settings such as speech rate, verbosity, and audio ducking to customize how the screen reader behaves during use. Step 7. Learn navigation gestures. Single press to hear item descriptions, double press to select items, and use directional buttons to move between elements. Step 8. To disable voice view, press and hold back and right buttons again, or navigate to accessibility settings and toggle voice view off. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.